1 in 3 adults over 60 has kidney disease right now. Most have no idea. No pain, no warning. Just a number quietly declining on a blood test nobody explained properly. Here is the truth. What you eat today is either slowing that decline or accelerating it. Not a prescription, a grocery list. Stay for number 1. Most people eat it completely wrong. Here is what almost no one explains in a 10-minute appointment. Kidneys do not fail suddenly. They decline through one mechanism more than any other: silent chronic inflammation, invisible on how you feel, unstoppable if you ignore it. When did your doctor last explain what is actively driving your creatinine, not just measured it? If you are struggling to remember, you are not alone. Every food today targets that inflammation directly. My name is Dr. Riyaz, certified medical doctor. I built healing habits because I kept watching the same thing: people managing kidney disease carefully, doing everything right, still watching numbers decline. Not carelessness, missing information. Everything today is sourced from published research and National Kidney Foundation guidance. Real journals, real numbers. Drop your age below right now. Has your EGFR ever been properly explained to you? Not just measured? I read every comment. Number 7. Garlic. Most people season food with garlic without knowing it is one of the most clinically studied kidney protective compounds in nutrition science. Allicin, garlic's active sulfur compound, directly suppresses the inflammatory pathways destroying kidney tissue. It also lowers blood pressure by relaxing vessels feeding your kidney filters. High blood pressure is the second leading cause of kidney failure worldwide. A 2016 Journal of Nutrition study found garlic supplementation significantly reduced CRP and IL-6 inflammatory markers in early CKD patients over 12 weeks. 2 fresh crushed cloves daily. Crush. Do not chop whole. Let sit 10 minutes before cooking. Crushing activates allicin. Swallowing whole does nothing. Number 6 does something no kidney medication currently replicates. Number 6. Olive oil. The fat you cook with matters more for kidney health than most supplements people spend money on. Extra virgin olive oil contains oleocanthal, an anti-inflammatory compound with mechanisms comparable to ibuprofen, but without the kidney-damaging effects that make NSAIDs one of the leading causes of medication-induced kidney failure in adults over 60. A 2017 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study found Mediterranean diet adherence anchored by olive oil associated with 42% lower kidney function decline risk over 5 years. 2 tablespoons daily, cold pressed only. Low heat or drizzled after cooking. High heat destroys oleocanthal completely. Number 5 hits all 3 kidney dietary targets simultaneously from one vegetable. Number 5, cauliflower. Low potassium, low phosphorus, low sodium. Cauliflower hits every core kidney dietary target at once, from one vegetable most people completely overlook. Its indole compounds support liver detoxification, reducing the toxin load arriving at your kidneys for filtration. Less incoming damage means less filtration inflammation. A 2020 nutrients review confirmed cruciferous vegetable intake inversely associated with CKD progression markers across multiple population studies. Half a cup steamed or roasted daily. Never boil. Boiling leaches the protective indoles into the water you pour away. Number 4, the protein answer most kidney patients never get told. Pause. If this is the conversation your appointment skipped, hit like. 1 second. Share it with someone managing kidney disease tonight. Back to the list. Number 4. Egg whites. Wrong protein creates urea, a waste product damaged kidneys struggle to filter. Right protein rebuilds tissue without that burden. Egg whites deliver complete protein with the lowest phosphorus load of any animal protein source. The building blocks your kidneys need, without the waste that breaks them further. A landmark Journal of the American Society of Nephrology study confirmed egg white and plant protein sources associated with significantly slower CKD progression versus red meat at identical total protein intake. 2 egg whites daily, scrambled, poached, or boiled. Yolk removed, Yolks are high phosphorus. Number 3, 2 cups daily linked to measurably different kidney outcomes. Number 3, green tea. Green tea contains EGCG, the most potent antioxidant compound found in any widely consumed beverage. It directly reduces oxidative stress in kidney tubule cells, the structures most vulnerable to early CKD damage. A 2013 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study following 1,400 adults over 11 years found 2 or more daily cups associated with 32% lower kidney function decline likelihood. 2 brewed cups daily, loose leaf or bags only. Bottled green tea products contain minimal EGCG and high sugar. Drink between meals. Tannins reduce iron absorption when consumed with food. Number 2, most people buy this in a form that removes the entire benefit. Number 2, blueberries. Anthocyanins in blueberries target the identical inflammatory pathway driving kidney disease and cardiovascular disease simultaneously, 2 conditions that almost always progress together after 60. The mistake: blueberry juice, blueberry yogurt, blueberry-flavored products. Processing degrades anthocyanin content significantly. The benefit lives in the whole berry only. A circulation study found 3 weekly servings of whole blueberries associated with meaningful reduction in vascular inflammation markers directly linked to kidney progression. Half a cup whole, fresh, or frozen daily. Not juice, not derivatives. Whole berry only. Number 1, the most powerful kidney food on earth. One preparation mistake removes most of the benefit. Number 1, fatty fish. Omega-3 fatty acids from fatty fish are the most clinically studied nutritional intervention for kidney inflammation in existence. EPA and DHA directly suppress the prostaglandin pathway driving glomerular damage, your kidney's primary filtering units. Protecting glomeruli is the single most important dietary target in CKD management. The preparation mistake: frying adds oxidized fats that counteract anti-inflammatory benefit. Brine-packed tinned fish contains sodium levels that directly stress kidney filtration. A 2019 Journal of the American Society of Nephrology meta-analysis covering 19 studies and 180,000 participants found omega-3 fish intake significantly associated with slower kidney decline and lower end-stage renal disease risk. 2 servings weekly. Salmon, mackerel, or sardines. Baked, grilled, or steamed only. Tinned in water. Never brine. Never fried. The preparation is not optional. Someone I will call Tariq, 64, retired engineer from Lahore. Stage 3 CKD EGFR of 41. Blood pressure resistant to medication. He had eliminated almost everything out of fear. No fish, no olive oil. Cooking with vegetable oil because nobody explained the difference. We rebuilt using this exact list. Olive oil daily, egg whites replacing his omelet, green tea replacing his second coffee, fatty fish twice weekly. 14 weeks later, EGFR moved from 41 to 47. Blood pressure medication reviewed downward by his own doctor. He told me, "Nobody told me food could do what my medication was struggling to do alone. That is not unusual. That is information working." Tonight, 3 steps only. Step 1, tonight. Crush 2 garlic cloves. Wait 10 minutes. Add to dinner. Drizzle extra virgin olive oil over the top. 2 kidney protective foods. 0 extra effort. Step 2, tomorrow morning. 2 egg whites for breakfast. Half a cup of whole blueberries alongside. 2 brewed cups of green tea replacing your second coffee. Step 3, this week. Ask your doctor for your EGFR trend over the last 12 months, not the number alone, the direction. That single conversation changes everything. Which step tonight? Drop it below with your age. I want to know who is in this community.